Hello! Today I am playing Dark Deception. Yeah. The first chapter, so, yeah, let's just get right into it. Hope you enjoy.
Dark Deception.
It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. What? Hello? Beer. Oh.
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again. Come over here. Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love. You really do. Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I can see the regret eating away at your soul. Ha! But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg. You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you, and I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Oh. Bierce's ballroom?
The pieces to a powerful
Whoa.
ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Oh, alright, I guess I'm going straight into it.
Clock's ticking.
Alright, this is gonna be chapter 1. Monkey business? Ah, hell no.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Service, please. My god, bro. Bro. What? Hello? What? That monkey? Ah, hell no. That's a weird, bro. Bro.
Going up?
I take it I'm in a hotel.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
Oh, yeah.
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Oh.
One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
Whoa.
It can detect each shard's location.
Tablet.
It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Alright. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright. Wait.
Good for
There's a
you.
room in here.
I hope you choke on it.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell? I hear something. Oh, hell no. Oh, heck no. Oh! Oh my god, bro, what the heck are those monkeys, bro? Wait, yeah, what is? Is there a ruin here?
Congratulations.
I knew it.
That must have been hard to find.
What did that do? Enemy stunned. Okay, perfect. Oh, wait. Enemies revealed. Perfect. Oh, one's over there. Those things are hella loud.
You've gathered half of the shard. I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
Oh my god, whoa. Itching in there. I'm surprised I haven't died a single time yet, bro. Extra life! Oh my god. What the frick? That thing looks hella creepy. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They're hella close, I already know they are. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm not. Dude, how am I so good at this, bro? I haven't tried this many times. Oh my god. Bro, I almost got it, dude. Underway. Oh my god, bro. These things add a lot, bro. Oh! Oh my god, oh my god. Heck no, bro! Not that way.
You've gathered
I got 'em all.
the soul shards.
What the?
The ring piece is
Oh
now
god, no.
exposed.
Oh god, no.
And the
Oh god,
monsters
no.
will go
Oh
in.
god, no!
Get the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh my god, it already did find me. Fierce. Okay, right here. What the? Okay. What the? No, I'm getting chased by 3 of them, bro. No, there's 3 of them, bro. No! Oh my god. No! No!
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway. You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into their hands.
Okay, so I'm gonna be blocking both of
The ring
these.
piece before Mr. Monkey
Let's
finds
just
you.
run in a circle. So this way. Okay, hold on. I got an idea. I got this. Alright. Go this way. What? No! Of course he was on that side, bro. They know, bro. They're smart. Come on. Almost there. Yes!
Who dares?
No, what?
Shoot,
Who
he knows
dares?
you're here now.
Who
You
knows
need
I'm
to
here?
escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Oh, open the freaking thing! Let me in. No! Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I finally saved.
Run!
Oh my god!
There's no escape for you.
There's so freaking many of them. No. I actually did it. No freaking way. I only died once. Final rank in A. I almost had S there. That's crazy. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, I'm getting up! Level 2! Yay! Yay. I did it, guys. Level
Good.
1.
You made it.
Yeah.
And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Oof, okay, who is your friend? What the hell? Eyeball.
Beers.
What?
Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences. This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table, now! It's been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak.
That's that.
Complete
demon's
the
name?
ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
But Malak's the devil, huh? Well, guys, I did it. I actually did it. And there he is.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
Well, that's for next time. Alright, Pierce. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.